Hello everybody. Now I'm going to show you how to capture attendance in TMS. So earlier we used to update Praram attendance in STMS, that is Sales Training Management System. Now our LND team have introduced to make you very simple one. We have introduced TMS, that is Training Management System, which you can access in mobile as well as you can access in laptop also. Okay, so I'm just giving you the URL. Just open the Google Chrome and type the URL. It is https abclearning.adityabirlacapital.com. https://abclearning.adityabirlacapital.com. So once you logged in, you will get a screen like this. Click on life insurance. Click on ABSLI employees. So enter your HRMS user ID and password. Once you selected like this, once you given your user ID and password, just click on sign in. You will get a home screen like this. Click on trainer. So you can see the icon in the left side of your screen. Switch role, dashboard, training, upload content. Okay. So in that, click on my training. Select create new batch. So select the category as architecture. Select the program for Praram. Select the program as Praram. As you are going to capture the Praram attendance as branch manager, or branch head, or area head. Okay, select the program category as architecture. Select program as Praram. So batch name, it is your wish. You can give accordingly. So I'm just giving Vijayanagaram. So Praram. It is 19th. Okay, I'm just mentioning as the 21st of August. Okay, so 2020. You can give accordingly how you want. So then, if the Praram is conducted in branch, then you can select ABSLI branch. Or if you conducted in virtual, that is Zoom platform, you select virtual. So as of now, I'm selecting virtual. So because virtual Praram is 3 hours, so it is 0.5 days you will be counted. Select the virtual venue details as Zoom. Virtual description, if you have conducted a Praram through Zoom meeting, if you have the link with you, you can copy and put the link over here. So it will be useful if you notify the participants, who are all participants of Praram. If you select this email now, all the participants will receive the mail along with the description. So it will be visible to them. So it's your wish. Okay, so I'm not enabling this one. Okay, so I'm just unchecking that email one. So August, I've selected 21st of August. Program end date is 21st of August. I started Praram at 11 o'clock. You can give the program start time and program end time also. And yeah, so 1:30 tak. Okay. So below you can see the training total man days is 0.5. Okay. So then click on ABSLI. So belongs to ABSLI. So just click on ABSLI DSF channel. So select provider. So in select provider, you can select a drop down will come like HI, HRMS. So for selecting advisors, you have to select HI. One second, it will come now. Yeah. One second. Yeah, it is coming. So HI active users, select this. Once you select this, you can see the tick mark. Go to the right side and just click, just click over there so that it will be drop down will go off. Okay. So select branch. You can type the branch name like this. If you know the branch code, you can type the branch code like this. So I'm just taking Vijayanagaram branch. So 827. Okay, then I'm setting, you just go to the right side and just do a click, that's it. So the drop down will go off. Okay, so click on search now. Okay, you can see the advisors over here. You can see the advisors. Okay, so for example, for Praram, okay, for example, I'm just like see, you can type the name of the advisor. If you know the advisor ka code, you can put like that. So Santosh Wali. So once you select this, you can give like this. Okay, and if you know multiple names, you have to do at one shot. Okay, multiple names you have to do at one shot. So Saru Balaraju, I have to do. It's a new advice, new prospect, and so then for example, if you have to set all these advices, use shift key. Okay, use shift key. Then you can just give down arrow. Okay, so you can do multiple selections and you can give like this also. So it will be added over here. You can see the 5 participants you have added. So then click on submit. So before submitting, I'm just repeating it again. Select program category is architecture, program is Praram, batch name, venue type is virtual venue detail Zoom, then program start date, program end date, start time and end time, and notify participants. Email, you just uncheck it, and after adding the participants, click on submit. It's a very simple process. So batch created successfully, you will get a pop-up. Click on my training batches again. Click on mark attendance. Okay, you can see that batch is created. You can click on mark attendance. Then uncheck this one. So you can see the batch name, day one and everything. Okay, in below, select P. P is for present, A means absent. So if all the advisors are present, so click select present, then click on mark attendance. Attendance is marked successfully. Again, click on my training batches, or else you can refresh the link also. Okay. So just go down here. You can see that pending. So click on batch checklist. So first we have created the batch, then we marked attendance. Now we are going to do the batch checklist. So you can see 5 out of 5 done. Okay, you can see that 2 tick marks are there in green color. So you can see done. Then you click on close. Okay, you can refresh, or else you again click on my training batches. You can see the status have changed to completed. Vijayanagaram Praram. So this is how we have to capture attendance in TMS. It's a very simplified process. So just add the participants by just creating a batch. Click on ABSLI and select the advisors, mark the attendance and just close the batch. Click on batch checklist and just close the batch. So that's it. So thank you so much, friends. Thank you.